We're gonna try to battle our way in there and see if we can't get this guy free. There it is. Come on. Come on. Good morning, everybody. We are at Herschel King Boat Ramp here in Palm Coast, Florida. It is 7:30 in the morning, so we're here just at the crack of dawn. We're gonna see if we can't net a couple mullet in here. There's definitely a lot of bait activity. We're the first people here at the boat ramp, so let's see if we can't get something here, so we don't have to waste our time finding them in the mangroves. And then we'll get after it. Hope to target some flounder, redfish, sea trout today. Really anything of that variety. So we'll see how it goes, but I'll get a couple casts out here and then we'll kind of go from there. All right, everybody. So we have moved to one of my more trustworthy bait spots. We're gonna see if we can't get on a little bit of mullet here, and then we're probably gonna go try to fish some structure with the live bait, just to give it a good shot today. Because of the clouds, it's a bit hard to spot the bait, but we do have some bubbles right here in front of the boat, so let's try to cast on that. So we're looking for some of the mullet that are like 4 to 6 inches. That's usually the sweet spot for any type of bait at all. There's plenty of activity back here in this little kind of estuary, or whatever you want to call it. So we should be able to get on something. It's just a matter of spotting them. Like I mentioned, here in the clouds, it's hard to actually see through the surface of the water. It's extremely reflective, as you can probably see on camera. So picking out the spots to cast is a little bit harder than usual. Oh boy. Oh buddy. Let's see what we can do to help you, guy. Oh, buddy. I know, I'm friendly. I know, buddy. Dang, what happened to you, dude? Oh, man, you are all tangled up. Okay, give me a second. Let's see. Let's get our knife out. Get a towel. It's all right, buddy. Guys, I don't know how much you can see here, but there is a bird that has his entire wing just wrapped around a branch. We're gonna try to battle our way in there and see if we can't get this guy free. I know, buddy. Oh, buddy, I see you. Come on. Okay. All right, what's going on? Oh, buddy, I'm sorry. Yeah, I know, buddy. I know. Alright, see fishing line all over. Okay. Alright, let's see what we can do here. I know, buddy. I'm trying to help. I know. I know. All right, let's see. I know, buddy. Okay. Oh, I am sorry, dude. Let's see if we can get it loosened up. This is definitely... Okay, we're going the right direction. Let's see. Okay, come on. There's some line going down to your leg. Let's see if that frees you up a bit. It does. I know. It's okay. It's all right. I know. All right, come on. Are you free? Did you make it? Come on, buddy. Come on, go on. All right, come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, little guy. Come on. You're free. Alright, we're going to try tapping you with a little fishing pole just to make sure that you're free. If not, we'll chase you. Come on. Come on, big guy. Doop, doop. Come on. Yes, there we go. Oh, thank God. All right, buddy. Live to see another day. Live to see. Man, you always see these videos out in the wild with birds and other sort of wildlife caught up, and you never think it's going to happen to you, and then here we are. So blessed that we were able to come by today and actually see this guy before it was too late, and looks like he might live to see another day. So we'll keep fishing, and I'll see you guys back when we find the next spot. if we can get any more of that school. Let's do some fishing. Oh, come on. Come on. Ah, pulled the hook. Looked like a snook that came up and just jumped on that last one. Let's get a bait back in the water in the same spot. See if we can't entice another strike. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Ah! Lost it again. Lost it again. Still there? Bottom. Got bottom. Let's try a bigger hook. Let's go. Live bait hook, same as usual. Let's see, I think we only have 5 baits left, so can't miss too many more hookups. We're gonna give the seawall right here probably another two baits. See what happens. And if not, we're gonna move up just over here. We just saw some jacks jumping. Just want to get something on the boat. So, but we're definitely in the right spot. Oh yeah, here it is. There it is. Feels like a jack. Let's see. Looks like it too. Walking the dog here. Yeah, decent jack. Let's get the net out. This is probably an 18-incher. It's always fun getting some jack on some relatively light tackle. Put up a pretty good fight. Let's see here. Woohoo, baby. Nice. There we go. Fish on board. They are unregulated, so we'll go ahead and keep this guy. There we go. Actually, not too abrased. All right, so what did I say? 18 inches. Let's see what we've got. Full length. So we got 17 fork and 20 total. Let's put this guy in the box. We'll give him a shot when we get home. Look at that. Nice jack. So we'll see how much meat we can get off of him. We'll smoke it up, probably make a fish dip, and maybe just try a piece as well. But beautiful fish. We usually let them go. We're gonna change it up today. All right, we have 4 mullet left. Let's see what kind of damage we can do here. There's definitely still fish underneath that dock. So I'll throw this mullet back in roughly same location and see if it doesn't bring us some more meat on board. Right where we want it. Go get eaten. All right, come on. Come on, we know you're chasing it. Oh yeah, he got it. He got it. Come on. Come on. There we go. Ah, pulled it. Pulled the hook, but that was a fun little view. Let's get another one on there and keep going. Oh, that might be a fish. Yep, that's a fish. Okay. Run with it for a second. Come on. Go ahead and take it. Go ahead and take it. Chest cam died. Alright. Let's close the bail. Reel in slow. There you are. There we go. Oh, what was that? 2 redfish? Damn. Man, and that's why you gotta retie. Alright guys, we got a fresh hook tied on here. Fresh leader. Let's get it back into that same spot. See if we can't get another hook up. I think that was a redfish we had on the last one. It was a little hard to see. But certainly wasn't a jack, and there were 2 of them that came up together. This is our second to last bait, so we don't have much left to fight with. We might try a little bit of artificial on this spot when we run out. That is exactly where we wanted that. Let's see if anything comes of it. Oh, could be. Set the trolling motor in place here. Looks like a false alarm. Oh, maybe not. Nope, there's something on, indeed. What is that? Oh, small jack. Very small guy this time. This one can be flipped. Probably a good 12-incher. Nothing crazy. Let's, oh, perfect hook set as well. Come on, buddy. Look at that. Hook came right out. Nice guy. Beautiful 12 inches, roughly. Fork length, probably total length of 15. Let's get him back in the water. I'll show you how we end up filleting the jack and get him on the smoker. It's going to be a 225 for however long it takes to get that nice red color on it. Welcome back, everybody. So we are going to make a smoked fish dip out of the jack crevalle that we caught earlier in the video. So I've already pre-smoked it all. So it was on the bakery neck for about 4 hours at 225. As you can see, we have a nice deep red color on it, indicating that we got really good smoke penetration, so it's exactly what you want to see. At the same time, we also took 2 jalapenos from the garden and smoked those up as well, just to get a little bit of extra spice in there. You can also use hot sauce in case you don't have any fresh peppers, but I do like to use fresh stuff whenever I have it. Other ingredients you'll need is a stick of celery, that is optional. Red onion, I like it, again, optional as well. Lemon, I would not consider this optional. I'd say you pretty much always want lemon in there just to set a nice acidic balance. Some fresh parsley for a little bit of green. Some Old Bay seasoning. Bit of mayo. Some horseradish, cream cheese, and some Dijon mustard. So I'll go ahead and get all the raw ingredients chopped up, and then I'll see you guys back in a couple seconds. So I just want to show you guys this as well, but with smoked fish, if you get it done right, the skin will usually peel right off the back, which is exactly what you want to see. Just one nice piece, which is pretty consistent across the various sizes. As soon as you get it on there, pull back, and there you go. Just makes it really, really easy cleaning instead of having to try to cut it off of the skin while it's still fresh. Alright, so we now have everything chopped just the way we want it. I'll be honest, I've taken a couple bites of the jack along the way, and it tastes completely fine to me. It's definitely something I'll be keeping in the future as well. Probably not every single one, but especially smoked, once you get that smoky flavor in there. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. Yes, it is a little bit more fishy than some other stuff that you'll catch, but very good flavor into this fish, so it should be fishy. So to get started on the fish tip, what we want to do, you want to have a medium-sized bowl, and we're looking for a roughly 1-to-1 ratio of a mix of fish and 50-50 on the cream cheese and the mayo. So just kind of putting the block in here for perspective. We're going to say you probably want to use about 3/4 of the block of cream cheese. We'll try to match that up with the mayo just by pouring it in. I'm not a kind of person that'll measure everything out perfectly. I like to just wing it a bit. So we'll get the block of cream cheese in there. Go ahead and fill it up with mayo. It's close to a 50-50 mix. We're going to add a little bit of horseradish. Again, just eyeballing it, maybe a tablespoon or two. Don't want to overpower it. You can always add a little bit more in the back end. That's kind of the general rule of thumb I like to use, is put a little bit less of the smaller portions in there. From the go, it's always easier to adjust by adding some of that compared to having to add some of the main components. Same thing goes for our cut up stuff. I like spice, so I'm going to go ahead and get both jalapenos in there off the bat. I'm not too worried about overpowering that. The parsley, we'll use about, say, about a tablespoon in the beginning. The red onion, we'll probably use about a tablespoon and a half, maybe 2 tablespoons. And celery, we'll go about a tablespoon. Want to use a dash of Old Bay just to get a little bit of seasoning. The fish, I did not put any seasoning on that before I cooked it. So that is just fish and smoke. So a little bit of extra salt and pepper is not going to hurt anything. Just a tiny splash of that. And then we'll start with half a lemon and just the juice of it. Just like that. We'll give it a good mix, and then I will show you guys what it looks like and if we need to make any adjustments. So it has a pretty dang good balance to it. Put a little bit more parsley in there because you don't really taste it nor see it. So adding a bit extra isn't going to hurt anything. But you see that Old Bay just gave it that tiny pink tint. It's kind of, which can be indicative of smoke. So it just makes a good aesthetic. The seasoning really isn't overpowering. What you're really tasting in here is the jalapeno and the lemon mixed with the mayo and the cream cheese. So we'll go ahead and get the fish in here, stir that up, and then we're done. All right, everybody, so there we have it. That's your final product. Again, the beauty of fish dip is you can use pretty much any fish at all for it, because anything that has more of a fishy texture to it or fishy flavor, that smoke will just really take it away. Generally speaking, you actually do want to prefer an oilier fish, which is usually what people consider to be fishier, just because it'll stay a little bit more moist during the smoking process, where leaner and less oily fish will actually really dry out. So kingfish, aka mackerel, jack, mullet, any of those usually not considered delicacies, is the perfect type of fish to use for this. But anyway, great to see you guys. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.